Hey guys, Anne-Marie here, and the seller sent me this kit for an honest review. These are hair wax sticks with the accessories, so let's open them up and take a look at it. Okay, so this set comes with these great clamps that you can use for a ton of different hairstyles. I use these all the time. And then this nice edging brush here, so good, really good for the edges. And then you've also got this pointed end here, so you could also do nice parts with that. And then you have this great little thin comb here, and it's also got that parting end at the end there. So this is nice to also really get in there with the hair, okay? And then we also have the edging brush here. So this one is really perfect just to get those small little spaces around the end there. And then you also have this fine brush as well for those exact spots. So really there's so many options to really get that hair to stay in place all over your head. You've got the bigger brush here, the smaller brush, the combs. I mean, this is a great kit. And you've also got the clamps to hold your hair back and keep it in place for when you need it. Now here is the main product. This is the hair wax, and all you do is twist the top off, and then you've got this here. It's got a really nice consistency, okay? It's not too heavy, but it is gonna keep your hair in place. This stuff works great. I've used this many times. So all you do to get it going here is just push from the bottom, okay? That's all you gotta do, push from the bottom. And then to use it, so if you have, let's say you're doing your hair all the way back, unlike mine today, mine is down, but let's say you have it all the way back and you want to get rid of the flyaways that happen all the way around, right? You could actually take this and go all the way around your head if you wanted to, or you can just go to one place, like right here if you're pulling it halfway up. If you have your hair like mine right now and you maybe have flyaways, I could actually take it and go right across the top and sort of smooth it out if I want to protect the curls, maybe with this fine comb right here like that. I could even lightly brush over it. I want to be careful with the curls. But now for the edge, if you are getting a little bit of the flyaways, all you do is just put it right there on the edge, and then you could either just brush it with your finger. A lot of times I do that, or again you could take that comb, that fine comb, or the brush if you want to, just depending on how you're doing the hair that day. But there are so many ways that you could use this. If you're putting your hair in a ponytail halfway up, if it's down and straight and you want to maybe just slick down, that's a really good way to keep it in place, or really get those edges, because you tend to get the flyaways right here, those little baby hairs here a lot of times, and then of course up and down here. So this stuff works great. I have used this many times. I keep one of these in my purse, one of these in my car, and one of these in my bathroom. And genuinely, I use it every single day. So it is a really great product. I highly recommend it. I think you will be really happy with it. And I really like this whole kit. I think having all of these different tools like this is really helpful. So, and the fact that this comes with 2 hair waxes is perfect. So highly recommend. I think you guys will really like it. You should check it out.